What happens
I'm
if I
kind of
pull
yours.
this?
Started it.
You.
Oh shit.
What
This
happens
is
if
what
I pull
happens.
this? I got him.
Like,
Oh,
since they
you
added new
know,
updates, like Pride Month
online
stuff,
to
I
press
ain't got nothing
play.
against gays, but
And then it
Christy
should say
update and
practice.
everyone's
Oh,
skating.
I'm not gonna be the leader.
Oh, I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm there.
Tag
Whatever, I'm
You
just,
see this?
I'm on the black one.
just trying to cook some people, man. That's all I'm after. And everyone's fucking friendship braceleting. And I hate my shit.
Pear's staying in the trees.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
There.
This is one Christy update though. Not because it's gay, just everything's in the way. No one, baby, no one likes it.
I'm red.
I'm yellow usually.
Worst update.
Skin. The folk have a little party.
How am I getting there? Fucking Tesla.
You want to know my skin lore?
Little bro brought me some
I'll say
ketchup.
last month, I swore. No, this
Ow.
is the mohawk. Whatever skin
Fucking hit something, you feel like.
not having a skin.
There should be
Get out my
self-awareness update.
Don't go up there.
No, I messed up.
I gotta take that one out. I gotta
See, I've been bullied. I've been bullied in a while, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do
Oh
it.
god, look at him. Pear, Doug the Book has a mohawk now.
Oh my fuck.
He does? What?
Yeah,
You're a dog.
You're not joking, look. He has a small mohawk.
Oh. Wait, can I
We're
see
walking out. Yeah.
Can I see
Mason.
Quickly grab I don't see people fly straight.
Oh,
Let's see.
for God's sake.
Let me this back. Yeah, he's not flying straight. He's not flying straight.
We got.
Mason.
We gotta turn
What is this?
Yeah, fly straight
I'm
anymore.
with you.
He isn't gonna fly straight anymore.
Run, Mason.
What?
You can't run from me.
He's not gonna fly straight.
Give me a mega punch
Yeah,
in the
he's not
face.
gonna fly straight anymore. Look at him.
You ain't gonna do shit.
Oh. Oh. Who's on? Who's the lava monkey? Or rock
Oh my
monkey,
gosh,
whatever
it's
you wanna call it.
picture. Purple's the best color.
I'm not fist
That's why my
bumping
color
you.
code is purple.
I'm not fist
I
bumping
don't
you.
want to fist bump you.
You just came over like fist up like this, so
I dropped Doug.
Feeling mutual, bro.
Hey, my bracelet went away.
Good.
Just went away.
Anyway, so basically guys,
Hi.
added a new
I
update.
dropped Doug.
Pretty ass, can't lie.
Whoa.
Trying to make my shit. Anyway, so
No,
New
no, no,
update.
no, 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 no.
Wanna
I don't
dominate
shit
this lobby?
cosmetics.
I only want this
But
guy.
OG Caves
I
is
only
back.
want this guy.
OG Caves ain't got none of this stuff. No. OG Caves ain't got none of this stuff.
I've got Mason.
OG Caves is so much better.
That's what
So I
it
might
is.
have to play some of that. But I'm gonna cook
Doggo.
everybody.
I'm level 2.0.
No! Stop trying to fist bump me, bro. I'm just trying to record.
Anybody else, I swear.
All these guys are done for.
Upgrading my Pokemon.
Yo, bro.
I'm gonna cook this whole lobby and put it on record.
Walk straight here. You see how I walk straight here? Look.
I'm gonna
That kid.
walk your walk your time. Let's put it
Oh,
on.
watch this. Watch this.
Mason, can you talk?
Oh, I think that's impossible to climb now.
Oh, bro, that's impossible now, bro. You cannot go straight anymore.
They made it
Oh my
impossible.
god. I can go straight anymore.
Mason.
Yeah, you're right.
Monsters here.
I'm drinking walk
Bro,
your
why am
walk
I
your
not going
time.
straight, bro?
You can grab the balloon.
Oh, sorry.
Grab the balloon.
I'm gonna turn this light red now.
Ow. Why can I go this far?
Destroy the species.
Look how far I'm going.
I missed by like 10 meters. Oh no.
Look, purple.
yeah, I got
They
red.
extended the way you can go now.
No
Look, come
way.
here. Come in.
Hi.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come here.
Huh?
Look. anyone
tag
can
me,
look.
don't
Come
tag me.
here.
Oh, cool.
I'm not gonna. I'm not
What?
gonna tag you. Nobody tag purple.
You've just got
Here,
networks
stop at
off. You've just turned off
They
networks.
extended it all the way to here.
Oh, don't fall for that shit.
What is this?
Don't fall for it, bro. He's turned off his networks.
Oh damn it, there's a gift right there.
Spent good money for my skin.
Yeah, and it's crusty.
Yo. Turkey man. No. Come here.
Who's Turkey Man? Oh, yeah,
Let me
me.
show you something, Turkey man. Look, follow me.
Imagine spending money on Gorilla Tag.
Ah, no.
Look, they
This game's
extended the area.
fucking free on this PC. Me pussy. Ew! Fuck out of here. I'm only here to cook this lobby. Let's move on. Look at you.
Joey made it.
Mason. Where's Mason?
Oh my god. Where you going?
Oh my god. I'm
Where you
getting
going?
duped for days.
Oh my god, he's staring at the wall. Turkey man thought he was the shit.
Did you break something?
Yeah, this lobby's full of sweats.
Yeah, break your ankles.
Monk, we don't have ankles.
Oh my god!
We breaking our wrists.
Yes.
Want to play Ding Dong Ditch?
How are we gonna play sing song? Hey, the whole lobby, the whole lobby.
Oh my god. Oh my
Well, it is
god.
all right game, but like, I just want to
Too
know where
easy.
the doors are, and then I might play Ding Dong Ditch. Then again, it is the
This
funnest
one's
game
the
in the world.
minigame. Go to computer for you.
Don't touch the floor. Turkey man, you can't keep up. Especially when I'm playing ground. My fucking cookie.
Anyone want them to?
We're going for the panda route.
I know you
I missed it. Do
What the hell?
Hey!
What's the panda route?
you wanna learn my route?
No, please, please.
I'm gonna tag you first anyway, so there's no point.
No.
Unless you keep playing fucking Kakabrun.
Yo, fuck.
Okay, I can teach you the panda route.
My head is so low.
You go up the wall, onto the branch. Oh shit, I messed it up.
I swear, I feel like
Up
I'm
the
gonna
wall,
get
onto the...
jumped.
How am I messing up? Up the wall.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Damn. Up the wall, onto the branch.
He's dead, isn't he?
Flick through, touch this, and then you just run like a route. It's so efficient, quick, and stop trying to run. You're bad.
It's up there.
Ah, I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes watching children climb around the trees.
Where's my camera? Where can my camera sit? Okay, there we go.
Yeah. I'm trying to reset the boundary.
But yeah, you know, this update's pretty bad. And like, I'm not a fan. I love it. I might go play some OG Caves because that was like my first G-Tag video. But yeah, it's pretty banging. So yeah, this is just, I'm gonna play like one more round and then fucking hop off probably and post something. Anyway, hey, say what's good to YouTube. Say what's good to the camera.
What's good, YouTube?
Bro, where's Pear? Where's Pear? I can't see
Pear.
Okay,
Oh yeah, it's
type
Pear's
smoke.
delicious, bro. Hi.
Hi. Where's my camera gone? Oh
Don't
shit.
tell him.
video could just do it. I'm messing up.
Gosh.
Here, just
What
make
are
it
you
like
doing,
this.
bro? Stop holding my hand.
I think it has to be the
No.
Oh wait, no, there it is.
Look at these kids. Yellow thinks he's doing something. What the fuck? You're over the top, I'm under. That doesn't make sense. You know what? It's all good.
No, the jukes will be so easy on.
I've had enough for this video, you know. This is the G-Tag update though. Yeah, please do me a favor. Just like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye. Take care of yourselves.